Yeah, welcome to Femson Solutions YouTube channel. Now, I'll be taking you through the installation process of our offline CBT software. Now, the very first thing you need to do is to download the setup folder from our website. And once you have successfully done that, now you have the setup folder as you can see on your screen. Now, this folder is a zip folder which is not accessible. So, for you to access what is inside the folder, the very first thing you need to do is to unzip it. So, for you to unzip it, you right click and you click on extract all. Click on extract. You wait for a few seconds while the process is ongoing. So you can see it has successfully been extracted. So you can just close this. Then now this is this. This is still a zip folder, the one we downloaded, and this is the one we extracted. So the one we need to open now is the one we extracted. So you double click on this, open it. Now we have our files inside. Now we have our EDUSystems CBT executable file. That's our setup here. We have a setup instruction and we have our one server executable file as well. That's the one server setup. So the first thing we're going to do is open the setup instruction. Now, the number one instruction is for us to unzip the downloaded setups folder, which we have done. Number two, open the unzip setups folder, which we have done. Then number three is double click one server file to install it. So we minimize this and come back to this, which is our one server. We double click to install it. You click on yes, click on yes, click on next. So I'm going to select I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Now this is where the setup will be installed. That's the part. So it's going to be installed inside our local disk C. So you click on next. So this is optional. You can check or not. So I recommend that you check this too. Then you click on next. So you click on. But before you click on install, take notes, nothing, you can see what the icons that we have here. Take note of the icons that we have here. Then you click on install. So now please choose your default browser. If you are not sure, just click open. Now selecting Explorer here does not mean that the only browser you can use to access your CBT software is going to be Explorer. No. So it doesn't limit you to Explorer. You can use any browser to access it. So you just click open. So if you have antivirus, you're going to receive this message. Might have detected a suspected program. So it is recommended you choose block to block this program. So you can either scan, block, or you keep run. So I will advise you click on keep run. So you have your SMCP localhost email. So you don't need to bother yourself changing anything here. Just click on next. Then you click on finish. So you click on keep run. Now as XAMPP have successfully been installed. Now you can see this icon is new here, and that is our WAMP server icon. So anytime you want to put on your server, the server is off now. So anytime you want to put on your server, you just click on this, then you click on put online. But we are not ready to do that now. So let us come back to our setup instruction. Number four, after completion of one server installation, click on EDUSystems CBT file to install it. So the next thing we're going to do now is to install our EDUSystems CBT. So I'll double click on it. So I'll click on keep run on yes. So we have option here, install CBT app, exit. So I'll click on install CBT app. Then it has been installed. Then I'll click on start CBT app. So it's going to automatically redirect you to a browser. So here, now based on the instruction here, we are asked to use username admin, password admin. Now you can change it later, but at default, that's the username and the password that you're going to use. Now don't forget, after the installation of EDUSystems CBT file, now the next thing you should do is to activate using this license key. Using this license key. So now let us try to install without using license key so that you see what you're going to experience. So uh, you switch to admin, then let's click on login. You can see now account not activated using code yet, activation code yet. So what is expected of you is to activate the account first. So let's come back to the setup instruction file and copy this. So click on account activation. I'll just paste it there, then click on activate. Now account now activated. Activated date 12 July, expiry date 14 July, that's 2024. Now don't forget, based on the instruction on the setup file, the setup instruction file, there is a note here. This license key is for testing purpose. While you have access to all the features, the account will automatically be deactivated after 48 hours of activation. Now, this activation code is not for sale. It goes for free, but only for schools that is on our school management software, that is using our school management software. So they have access to our activation code for free for a whole term. So once they renew uh, uh, their online school management software for a term, they have access, they get the activation code for the same period. So now that it has been activated, so the next thing we'll do is to click back. Then here, I'm going to erase this admin, admin, then switch to admin. So here we have students, we have admin, we have staff. So this default user ID and password is for admin. So you have to switch to admin. Then you click on login. But as an admin, in case you want to change your password, you can come here to change your password. So I'll click on login. So you can see this is our dashboard. So from there, you can now navigate to any parts of the words of the CBT software. Note, this is offline. Yes, so you can use it and you can connect as many systems as possible to it, all offline, including your mobile phone. Even if yes, you can connect your mobile phone to it, and you don't need to what? You don't need to make use of internet on the mobile phone. So all you just need to do is to run the connection as expected. So this is the installation process. I hope you find it easy, simple and straightforward. Now don't forget, in case you have any challenge or you need a quick support or assistance, feel free to call or WhatsApp plus 234-813-560-2553. Thanks for your interest in us. Enjoy.